Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the model in Gemini AI. So let's get started. First thing, just come into your Gemini app and make sure that you are signing in also, and to the top we'll be having this drop down, and if you click here, at the moment we are having two models and they are 2.5 flash as well as 2.5 pro. 2.5 flash is the quick response model, like in case if you have any small doubts and stuff, you can just directly ask 2.5 flash. 2.5 pro is the reasoning model, which means it thinks before answering and it's really good in math and code related problems. And the great thing about Gemini is that it really gives all the latest models absolutely for free. For example, 2.5 pro is the latest model and it's free to use for them. And what if you wanted to test other models of Gemini? Let's say you want to try the 2.0 model of Gemini. So in that case, what you can do is just Google AI Studio. You'll be having the first link, click it, and here also make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. Once you are done signing in, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Here you need to go to chat, and after going into the chat, here we will be having the place to change the model. If we click here, we'll be literally having all the models that are being launched by Google. So for example, in 2.5 we have these many models, and if I go to Gemini 2.0, I am having these many models available. And if I go to Gemma, which is like the older models of Google, so we'll be having this also. So by this way, like we can access and test all the previous models of Google also. Another way, you can just like ask any questions, like select this and ask any questions, and that particular model will answer it. So that's a video, guys. I hope you'd have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.